Okay, I'm really freaking bored without my computer. I don't know what to do, so I'm sitting here looking up pterodactyls, and drinking coffee. And water. If you hear my voice, it doesn't sound that good right now. I've been having crazy eyes since they started the video. Oh, goodness, that's good. Alright. I was gonna do this when I have my computer so I can look at my notes on my computer and record with my phone, but I'm gonna try to do it now. I guess use my phone for everything. This is complete craziness. I never watch TV, and I am right now because I have my computer in a bag of rice. So, until my mom gets home, because that will be 24 hours, this is what I'm doing. I'm not excited. I don't like TV. Ace is stalking the bird at the window. He's just like, oh, it's gone now, buddy. Yeah. You have to find something else to look at. There's the whole world out there. Good luck, baby. I love you. Oh, no trees right now. Sorry. I'm gonna sit there until I give you some more. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ace. Come here. Ace. Ace. Stop ignoring me. You done ignoring me. Come on. Come here. Is it too hard for you to get over here? There you go. Come on. Come on. Ace. Come on. Come on, baby. I love that you're praying. Come on. Come on. Do you need me to move on? There. Come on. Ace. Come in. Come here. That's a good boy. Ace, I'm trying to learn my tarot cards. You need to go. Please. I love you. Ace, you really interfering with my learning in my tarot cards. Can you get down? So, what am I doing today? I'm learning tarot cards. I'm learning them through YouTube and through myself, really. Well, I'm just looking up online and watching YouTube videos. Excuse me.